Using a standalone program to manage your equipment outside of your testing software adds an extra step and another place to complete your work. In this lightning demo, you'll see how LASTRADA's integrated equipment management module allows you to manage your equipment while performing your daily work. And it speeds up testing by preloading calibration constants like mold and pycnometer volumes into their respective tests automatically. Okay, the first thing that happens when you log into LASTRADA, if you're a person who's responsible to calibrate equipment or equipment's assigned to you, LASTRADA is going to tell you that things are ready to be calibrated or due for calibration. When I open a piece of equipment, you can see we have everything you need to manage equipment for AASHTO R18, which includes specific information about the equipment itself, calibration procedures which I've defined for this piece of equipment, as well as intervals and alert periods for each piece of equipment. You'll also find a photo of the equipment and documents related to the equipment. Common documents might be, in this case, a manual for this oven on how to set it, or maybe a calibration procedure or a blank data sheet for a calibration procedure. If I open up the historical records for this oven, I can also find the historical calibration results as well, including this calibration record for the oven. Lastly, LASTRADA saves calibration constants and uses them in test methods, for example, pycnometers. If I open a pycnometer in this database, you'll find its weight and volume ready to go for use in an aggregate specific gravity test. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out our other lightning demo videos at lastradapartners.com/resources, or visit our contact page to speak with one of our engineers.